Hello, I am here at Arabia Mountain and I thought I would take you along to take some pictures. So let's go. So I made it to the top of Arabia Mountain. It's really bright out. The sun was behind a cloud a second ago. Yeah, it is very crowded. This is the most crowded I've ever seen. You know, it's too bright. I need sunglasses. Or what you know, I guess. Hooty hoo. This is the most crowded I've ever seen this park. It's a beautiful day out though, so I don't blame anyone. You know, it's the pandemic and everything. If I was around people with my mask on, and if there's no one around, you know, don't need it. But yeah, and a lot of people had masks on, which I was pretty, you know, pleasantly surprised about, because usually if we're outside, most people don't have masks on. But especially here, it was so crowded. There's like, I feel like I was at Disney World. It's a little bit less crowded now because the sun's starting to set. But it was a beautiful day. Took some pictures for you on my camera. This one and that one. And I hope you enjoyed said pictures and getting a glimpse into this beautiful mountain. I always feel like I'm on the moon when I'm on it. It's so beautiful. Highly recommend Arabia Mountain if you're ever in Georgia and looking for a hike that is near Atlanta. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this hike with me and taking pictures with me along the hike. And yeah, comment if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Oh goodness. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Have a great day. Thank you for coming, and goodbye.